So friends, if you are using an iPhone, change these 5 settings right now. Now the first setting is for Apple ID. If you don't want anyone to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone, then you can disable this option. Now to do that, all you have to do is just simply go to screen time in settings, go down and look for lock screen time settings. Select this option. It will ask you to set a screen time passcode. Now this passcode can be different from your lock screen passcode. Again, re-enter the passcode. Now it will ask you to enter your Apple ID details. Just in case you forgot the screen time passcode, you can use your Apple account to reset it. So enter the Apple ID details and select OK. Now once everything is done, all you have to do is just go back and tap on Apple ID, and this time you can see sign out option is not available. Now for extra battery backup, do this second setting, and for that you need to go to settings in general. You can select background app refresh. If this particular option is set to Wi-Fi and mobile data, select this, and either you can keep it to Wi-Fi or you can completely turn it off. Now what happens in background app refresh is it allows apps to refresh their content when on Wi-Fi or mobile network in the background. Now if you turn it off, it will help you to preserve battery life. Now the next setting is for tracking. Simply go to settings option and this time go to privacy and security, then tracking. And if this option is on which says allow apps to request to track, turn it off. And also when you turn it off, you can see all new app tracking requests are automatically denied. Now the next setting is for control center. Now do you know that anyone can access control center on your lock screen and they can change the settings. To avoid this, you can simply go to settings option. This time go to face ID and passcode. Also you can select touch ID and passcode if you are getting that option. Enter your passcode over here, and once you go to this particular page, go down. Now under allow access when logged, you get an option of notification center and control center. Make sure the option is turned off. Now after this, if the phone is locked, no one can access notification center or control center on lock screen. Now for the next setting, you need to go to settings option, select mobile service over here and then select mobile data options. In that you get an option of voice and data. If it is set to 5G on, what it does is in 5G on, it uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. Now to avoid this, you can simply select 5G Auto, and in 5G Auto, it uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing battery life. So if you want a good performance and if you want optimized battery life, select 5G Auto. So these are some important settings which you can change in your iPhone right now. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.